Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this IDPRT Thermal Printer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get a thermal printer. This is the one that I got, and I must say this right here saves so much time. So initially before, how it used to work is that every time I would need to ship a package, I would actually need to write it on an envelope, write the return address, the shipping label, and it took a lot of time. But with a thermal printer like you see right here, it makes it very easy to print on 4x6 peelable labels and then paste it onto the package or envelope. So with this thermal printer, it saves time. It does use ink, so that's a huge savings when it comes to overhead costs where you don't need to buy ink. The 4x6 label papers that you see here are a lot cheaper compared to regular paper. And with that, this is compact, it's portable. I actually just came back from California and I took this with me just so I can ship out some orders, and it worked perfectly just fine. So with this IDPR printer, I have it connected to my MacBook Air. It's very, very easy to use. Just make sure that you choose the correct setting when it comes to printing. And yeah, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.